After spending time with Cole and Kendall as a couple, there are 3 things I've observed about them. When they are together, they are better off because of it, and it's easy to see how truly connected they are. 3 things that are patently obvious. First is they make each other feel safe, which means they can be their authentic selves with one another. Their security with one another builds trust. Secondly, they have fun together. You can see the joy in their laughter together, and when they even finish each other's sentences, they can't hardly stop but giggle. And number 3, they are grounded in their faith. It's foundational to both of them and an inspiration to others.
Voice? Oh my god! I'm gonna screw you!
Kendall Ann, you are the air to my lungs, the light of my life, and the center of my happiness, my refuge and my rock. See, God made Eve because he knew that Adam couldn't survive without her. And God made you, Kendall Ann, because he knew I couldn't survive without you. There's moments in everyone's life where darkness seems to be the only option, as I know that we've both experienced. But you, baby girl, you prove all those feelings wrong. You prove that light will always prevail over darkness.
Cole Terrell, you have been the foundation in which everything good in my life has been built. You have always told me how I was your angel, but I never truly explained that you were mine. I prayed for a man that was loyal, honest, playful, and God-honoring, and that's exactly what you are. I have not stopped smiling since the day that I met you.
You know you're beautiful. That ain't half the treasure in your soul.
So in saying that, I vow to never let you lose your light. Never get to a point where you forget your own superpowers. I will uplift you and never let you get low. I promise to love you endlessly, a love that goes beyond our time here on earth. I promise to never stop dating you, never stop holding hands, and for sure never stop kissing those cheeks.
But most importantly, I vow to hold you with tenderness in hard times, and to have the patience that love demands. I vow to give you joy when I sense your sadness. I promise to honor you, to respect you, and love you with intention, and seek God above all else.
I now pronounce you to be husband and wife. What God has joined together, let no man put asunder. You may now kiss your bride.
You know you're beautiful. That ain't half the treasure in your soul. What you got, 'cause I want it all. Your fingers in my mouth, fantasy falls. So please don't let me fall.
She might be my baby sister, but in so many ways, I look up to her. She is such a strong person with the biggest heart, beyond thoughtful, and a woman of faith.
This guy's heart is so big. And Kendall, as big as this man's heart is, I can tell you without a doubt that it is entirely yours.
I prayed for years that she would find someone who would really appreciate and see how special she is. I feel blessed that my sister found him, and I feel blessed that he is now a part of our family.